Hey friends, this is Latif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Ethereum Classic. The price on of Ethereum Classic is still moving inside this down channel. By the way, this channel is more visible on the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that while moving inside this channel, it is dropped down at this very long-term up trend line support. And by the way, before that, we also broke down this up channel as well. And after that, we had this big drop. And while moving to the downside, the price informed this next down channel. And if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this up trend line support is coming from here, from the month of Feb 2021. We had a bounce here, and at the bounce here, and at the bounce here, and this was another bounce, and now the price and it's once again dropped down at the support. And this support is, by the way, a support of a big symmetrical triangle. You can see that at the same time. It is also working as a support of this triangle. This was the resistance and this was the support, and we broke out the triangle. We had a short pump, but the price then dropped down here again at the support of the triangle. And at the same time, the price then also broke out this falling wedge pattern as well. This was the falling wedge pattern that we broke out. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of March 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup for Alchemy, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade signal. Like this signal I shared on 7th of March 2025 with my members. And here you can also buy the complete trade setup, buying on, sell target sign, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of Ethereum Classic. And first of all, let me just show you the daily time frame. And here you can see that for the past several weeks, it is moving inside this channel. By the way, since after here when we found the resistance, since after 2nd of November, it is moving inside this channel. We got rejection here, bounce here, few more rejections here, another bounce here, rejection, and now the pricing is moving at this long-term up trend line support. That is a quite long-term support. If you take a look at the 7-day time frame chart, then you can see that previously it was working as support here in the month of Feb 2021. Then we had a big drop here at this support in the month of June 2022. And we had another bounce here, another bounce here, and now it is again dropped down at this support. And now there is a probability that after getting squeezed between this uptrend and support and the resistance of the channel, soon we may break out the resistance of the channel. However, in case of breaking down this uptrend and support, the price line of Ethereum Classic can test the support of the channel somewhere here, approximately at $11 and 40 or 50 cents. And in case of breaking out the resistance of the channel, the technical target to the upside will be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at 39 or $39.50. But in my opinion, it can also hit this long-term resistance of $45 as well. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this $45 has been working as a very strong resistance here and support here. Therefore, again, it can work as a strong resistance for the price line of Ethereum Classic. And by the way, here on the 7-day time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this big falling wedge pattern. And then we, at the same time, we also broke out this big symmetrical triangle as well. And the target for the breakout from this wedge is here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at $85. And now if we take a look at the target for the breakout from this symmetrical triangle, then technical target for the breakout from this symmetrical triangle is here. That is approximately at $170. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.